Hi everyone. I wanted to do an unboxing. I got a little gift from Pink Flamingo cotton candy, and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. Listen to my kitty. So cute. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I know I'm gonna love the card already. How cute. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Pink Flamingo. Stacy, thank you. I can't wait to see what it is. Oh my goodness. Look at. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to leave these out. They have QR codes on the bottom of them. If you are in the Chicago South suburbs, you're going to have to find these. And look at this cute cotton candy cake. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, my nieces are going to be obsessed. Thank you so much.